Elon Musk has a lot of money, but he has one daughter, and she said, "I don't want to live with my father because my father doesn't spend time with me and my mom." So that's why she'll live with mom.
Let's understand with some example. Like in our family, we have two brothers. Okay, so one brother is earning money and one another is not earning money. So who earn more?
About physical education,
About
but after
physics
doing
of an
exercise,
individual?
you need that nutrition. Without, if you don't eat
No.
just doing exercise, how can you like to grow your
You can
let me
strong your
complete my
immunity just
point.
by taking a normal food.
You are,
Can you purchase your wife's love with money? Can you purchase your wife's love with money? Can you purchase love with money?
Yes, and
Yes.
this is how you can purchase everything.
There is a possibility of extramarital affairs and divorce cases also.
Spending your time.
Why? Because
If you have time, you can get a knowledge.
Listen,
If you have a time, you get a job. If you have a knowledge, you can spend with, time with your friend.
just because he was unemployed for a few months, and they all just start disrespecting him just because he is not earning money. He was spending time, he was spending whole day with his family, but still he was not earning money, so they were not respecting.
join Wings. I joined Wings for speaking English. And why? Because I know when I be a good speaker, then company will hire me. And why I will join company only for money?
Firstly, you spend the time, bro.
Protein powder is very costly, and alternative protein powder is soya bean.
So how can you purchase?
Soya bean is the best protein,
How can you purchase soybean with the help of time?
but it is affordable to the.
How Michael Jackson used to live a life?
Very badly because he can't sleep very well. Like he sleep maximum 3 hours, 4 hours, despite taking medicine.
No.
No, I know everything.
Michael Jackson live.
If you waste your time in watching reels, in playing PUBG, then how can you earn money?
He needs money, and I will give him time.
If you have no money, then how can he say that you give me money? You give me money. Can he say that?
Family, if there is any medical issue, urgent medical issue, and you have to get a treatment, what will you do? You need that time, you need money, urgent money, immediate. You have to pay. If you don't pay, doctor will not give you treatment.
Anything, because you cannot earn emotion, you cannot earn love, you cannot earn humanity. If you have a time, then you will spend time with a person, then you can realize how to use.
Suppose that if you die tomorrow and you have a lot of money, then what will you do after? Can you take that money with you in your grave?
Good morning, my panelists. Today we are going to have a debate, and our topic is time versus money. So either time is important or money is important. We will discuss about that. So guys, we are in favor of money. Everyone running behind money. So money is that thing which which after whole world is mad. Natural beauty also will attract you while you have money.
So you told that money is important for traveling or for seeing nature's beauty. Then if you have no time for traveling, then how can you say that money is everything?
So it's obviously that if I have money, so I will pursue my passion. I will go somewhere. I will go for mooching around.
If you have no time, then how can you travel somewhere for?
Of course.
You have 24 hours. If you have no money, how can you buy a ticket?
How can you earn money without spending time?
You destroy your time for earning money.
For earning money,
Therefore,
we all need to spend or invest our time for in doing any job or task.
Yes, I know. You
Money is time is the first priority.
No. You destroy your 5-6 hours for earning money. Therefore, I said money is more important than time.
Why do you want to earn money? If you have time, so why do you want to earn money? So you can survive with time. Why you have to earn money?
So now you told everyone running after money, but I know everyone wanna earn a lot of money and running after money, but while earning money, their youth is gone and they became old. After becoming old, they realize why I did only focus on earning money, why I did not spend my time with my family, friends, and children. So after becoming old, they blame time, they blame money. It's everything happened because of money. This time society only see money, so money is very bad thing.
You can't say money is bad thing, because if you get old, you have no money, then your life will very bad.
Many people get someone is killed just by luring them with money.
Sorry for interrupting you. You said just if I want to spend quality time with my family. So if I have no money, if I don't give him the gift like another things, we don't take him out. So how will they happy? How will be they happy?
Bro, if you have a time, you can. If you are spending with your, if you are spending time with your family, then also he's happy. And also, sir says that you are spending time like a 5 or 6 hour, you are wasting your time.
No,
But
no, not at all. If you do not give,
sir is also teaching here, and also sir is wasting his time.
no, I'm not.
Many teachers also is teaching in school, colleges. How you can say that?
Spend our time for earning money. Why sir are teaching?
Sir, firstly give time, then after earn money.
Yes, so therefore I said money is more
So
important.
firstly spend your time.
You spend your time for earning money.
Firstly, sir, spend your time.
Why sir has to earn money? Why sir has to earn money?
Sir, firstly spend our time for earning money.
No,
Then
just
firstly spend time, then after he earn money.
so why he wants to earn money?
Why, I don't know.
Because they want to survive good. They want to make their life good.
Okay, do you know Elon Musk?
Yes.
Elon Musk has a lot of money, but he has one daughter, and she said, "I don't want to live with my father because my father doesn't spend time with me and my mom." So that's why she'll live with mom, and she'll live with her mom. And nowadays, his mom said, "I don't want to live with this type of people who only want to earn a lot of money and spend their time only do work." So that's why Elon Musk has taken divorce their wife, and nowadays their wife and daughter living a good life. Money can't buy.
Let's understand with some example. Like in our family, we have two brothers. Okay, so one brother is earning money, and one another is not earning money. So who earn more respect?
Okay, earning money is not a difficult this time. Depend on your thought. You can earn money easily.
No, bro, earning money is not easy.
How can you
Do
say
you
that?
really think
no,
earning
no,
money
I know.
is easy?
Depend on your thought. How do you work? How do you learn? What do you do?
Every successful people also spend time. Then after he's very famous.
So why he spend their time?
And why we are spending here time?
Why? Because
If you have a time, you can get
Yeah,
a
but
knowledge.
listen,
If you have a time, you get a job. If you have a knowledge, you can spend with time with your family.
no, I'm not
Yes, bro.
satisfied. Listen me. Firstly, listen me.
Why
I
many
joined-
people? Why many
we are-
students
we
spend
joined-
time in college and schools
Firstly, listen me.
for getting knowledge? If you have a time, you get knowledge. You can get a job
Firstly,
very
listen,
easily.
Listen me.
But there is a, if you have money, you can earn. You can purchase many certificate in market. But if you have no knowledge, what will you do? If you have a time, then you get knowledge. You get job.
Listen me. You said why did you join Wings? I joined Wings. I joined Wings for speaking English. And why? Because I know when I be a good speaker, then company will hire me. And why I will join company only for money? If
Firstly, you spend a time,
everything is
bro.
behind money.
Then you
Why
spend
are not
time, you get
accepting me?
knowledge. You spend a time, you get knowledge,
Yes.
and then after you will apply it.
Yes, and why I apply? I know I will apply, then I will earn money. Earning money is main thing.
We are debating between money and time. Firstly, you spend a time, then you will get will
Yeah.
get a
So why
job
I-
and anything.
Yes, I know. So why I spend my time for money? I spend my time for money.
So
Money
firstly,
is main
you
thing.
spend the time. Firstly, you spend it. Then after you will earn money. No, I will not spend firstly money. Then firstly I spend time. Then after I will
So I
earn money.
destroy my time for earning
How you
money.
can say that every people destroy it?
Yes.
No.
Every person
So he's
destroy
also
their time.
destroyed his time.
No, not.
You are also says that.
I'm talking
Every people
about.
is also destroyed our time.
I'm talking about me.
No, that is not fine, bro.
You have to go somewhere. So you ask your friend to go there, and you don't want to spend money. He will go.
If you don't have a time, then what will you do for going there?
No. We have time, but we have no money. So
Utilizing time is the main thing. How you utilize your time properly?
Everyone has knowledge. How can utilize their time?
by utilizing time, you can earn money, or you can earn any new skills or learn new things.
So why we are learning new skill only for earning money? I go
Everyone-
to school. I go to school for be a good person. Why I want to be a good person?
Everyone,
If you listen me, if you have no money, your wife will ask for divorce because money is more important. If you
can you purchase your wife's love
What?
with money? Can you purchase your wife's love with money? Can you purchase love
you
with
can,
money?
Yes, and
Yes.
this is how you can purchase everything.
There is a possibility of
For the-
extramarital affairs and divorce cases also.
he has taken divorce?
What?
Why is did he take divorce?
He did not spend money on his wife. Therefore,
No, no.
There are various ways to
And every actors and actresses has a lot of money, but he has a lot of money. But why they did divorce?
how many percentage actors?
Many actors like Hrithik Roshan and
there are not many, just
not one Hrithik Roshan and Arbaz Khan and Saif
so
Ali Khan and many.
what
And
would you
also
say
many famous
about
cricketer,
Shah Rukh Khan?
Hardik Pandya, do you know that? And also Shikhar Dhawan and Dinesh Karthik also, Mohammad Shami, Dinesh Karthik, Hardik Pandya and Shikhar Dhawan also. How you can say that not many people?
Why you are only talking
Many
about?
poor people has a no.
Firstly, sir, you said that he is not spending time. He is not spending money with her wife. Then after,
Many,
I am saying that.
No. Listen,
Yes,
many
bro.
poor people has a no money, but they live together. How? Many poor people has a not lot of money, but they live together.
Listen me. If you spend your time with your wife and you will not give anything, then your wife will ask for divorce because he said he did not fulfill my.
I have only one point. Wasting time and you are not spending money on your wife, then he divorce him.
Every basic needs of our life we need money. Like if we want to do anything, like for everything, like for healthcare, for shelter, we need money. Without money we can't survive easily. So I think money is very important, and as far as we have money, we can earn respect of other people. For example, like if you are earning good amount of money in your home, you can earn respect with of your family. But if you are not earning money and you are not unemployed, then they will not respect you because you are not earning money. So I think money is very important.
If you have money, bro, you cannot purchase anything because you cannot earn emotion, you cannot earn love, you cannot earn humanity. If you have a time, then you will spend time with a person, then you can realize how to use.
Yes, I know that spending time with our family is very important thing. But if like I want to tell a brief story of of a man in my locality. Before lockdown, he was working in Dubai and he was earning lot of very decent amount of money, and he was sending money every month to his family. But during lockdown, when he came back and he didn't go again. So and due to lockdown and just being unemployed for few months, his family start saying him Nalla, just because he was unemployed for a few months, and they all just start disrespecting him just because he is not earning money. He was spending whole day with his family, but still he was not earning money, so they were not respecting him.
Time, so you can make more money because, for example, Jack Ma, he's founded of Alibaba, and he's started Alibaba at age of 35, but he became rich age of 50. So how can you say that? If you have time, so you can do anything. You can become a rich, you can learn anything. If you have no time, so you cannot earn money, you cannot learn anything.
Yes.
So depend on time.
Okay, if I have time, yes, I can learn new skill, like I can learn languages. But firstly, if I will go to anywhere to learn new skill. For example, if I want to learn new language, Firstly, what I have to do? I have to pay a fee. Without paying fee, no one will teach me. So firstly, I have to pay a fee, and that particular and at that particular time, I need money. For example, if I if in your family if there is any medical issue, urgent medical issue, and you have to get a treatment, what will you do? You need that time. You need money, urgent money, immediate. You have to pay. If you don't pay, doctor will not give you treatment.
So we can take loan from bank and we can borrow money anyone.
Yes,
But
So
we
what
cannot get back
No,
time.
Wait. You are telling me that you can take loans, you are borrow money. So what are you indirectly you are taking money? The loan the loan which will you take from bank or money whatever amount of money will you take from any of your friends? It is money. It is not time. You are not taking time. You are taking money. Indirectly you are taking money because you need money that time.
Please, sir, tell me, if you are last stage your life, if you have a 2 point, money and time, what will you choose?
Michael Jackson had a lot of money and he couldn't have slept well, and before sleeping he took medicine, and despite taking medicine he couldn't have slept well, and he wanted to live longer than anyone, but nothing happened, and he passes away at age of 50, and he thought that I have a lot of money, so I can live longer than anyone other person, so but nothing happened.
You know how you can't imagine how Michael Jackson used to live a life.
Very badly because he can't sleep very well, like he sleep maximum 3 hours 4 hours despite taking medicine.
No.
I know everything.
Michael Jackson live luxury life more than
No luxury, it's not a luxury.
What?
It's not a luxury life.
No, you have no.
He
proper
only
knowledge
sleep
about
he
Michael
not
Jackson.
sleep very well.
No. You have no proper knowledge about Michael Jackson.
I know
You are
I know
only talking
everything.
in air.
I know everything
very
about
well.
Michael Jackson.
No, not at all.
He could not sleep, so how can everyone wanna
Michael
sleep?
Jackson-
Everyone wanna sleep 9 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours.
Michael
But
Jackson live life more.
not living all time. They do practice. There was practice,
I'm not
and
satisfied with
they wanted to earn money. So, but he wanted to live longer, but not happened like this, and he passes away at age of 50. So, not money is not everything.
I think 50 for.
How 15 years is enough? Bro,
Then why everyone wanted to live more?
No, everyone want a luxury life, not a big life.
Everyone wants time in their last time.
No, not everyone wants to live longer life. If you think that everyone wants to live a longer life, you can ask to a farmer and a person who is struggling very hard, because as we always heard about farmers that they commit suicide. Why? Because they are facing lots of problem in their life just because due to lack of money. So they do suicide. They don't want to live longer. They just need money, because only people who are very richer and like people who just who have lots of money, who are living very luxurious life, they can say that we need some longer life. We need a longer life just to spend our money. But people who are facing problems like farmers and labor workers, they don't want to live longer because they don't want to live a life with lots of struggle. They just want to earn money. They need money. So not everyone wants to live longer.
We go to a hand money beggar, but he did not increase.
But
Money is very bad thing, because this time society only see your money, and if you have a lot of money, after that they will give respect. If you have no money, they won't give you respect. So I think that no matter how good you are, how polite, talk to anyone, when you have money, then after they respect you. And I think that money is bone of contention between. I think that money is bone of contention in this society.
Listen me, money is bad thing. So why your brother went to Saudi Arabia for?
No, money is one way for living a life.
No.
Before 100 year.
Why? Listen me, if money is bad, so why your father work for money? You join Wings? You said I join Wings for get a
I
job.
join Wings because I wanna
getting knowledge.
I wanna get knowledge. I join Wings because
He said last time he said I I joined Wings for get a job. So why do you want to get a job?
When I said,
You said.
when,
You said 2
when,
months. Before 2 months.
when, I did not
I
remember.
remember.
When you are telling a lie.
No. No, money is bad thing. So why your father work for money? Tell me.
Money is one way for living, but not everything. Everyone,
Why do you use money for purchasing
everyone,
clothes? If money is bad,
everyone
why
want
do you
to,
use
everyone
money
want to
for
their,
purchasing?
everyone want to their time spent their family, so that's why they wanna earn money.
So
Because if you have money,
you have
after
to
that
purchase. You have to purchase shirt. You can go shop and ask a shopkeeper, take my time 1 hour, 2 hour, and give me shop.
no.
Will he
If
give?
you have money, so you can make. If you have time, so you can make money.
So say
If you have no time,
shopkeeper,
if you have
take my
no-
time.
If you have only time, so how can you get? If you have only money, so how can you get time? If you have only money, so how can you get time?
So every person have a money.
Their because due to lots of problem, their family send their daughter or son for work. And suppose if a person is working in another city far from his home, why he is working? He is working just to fulfill his needs, fulfill the needs of his family. Just because if you don't earn money, how can they survive? How can they fulfill their needs if we don't earn money? So yes, you can say that his family members will not feel much good that his son or his daughter is living in other city, but they need his money, because without money they can't survive. So it is very important him or her to earn money.
Firstly, time is very important. If you have no time, then how can you develop your skills or how can you develop new learning?
Like yes, we need time, but if I don't have money, how can I learn or how can I get a new skill? Because for to getting or to learning any new skill or languages, anything, we need money. And if I have money, I can purchase a very good course, online course or whatever I want. Like I can purchase a very good tutor who can teach me very well. So when I have money, if I don't have money, I can't do it.
Listen me. If you have time, so you can become anything. Like APJ Abdul Kalam had no money, but he became a scientist. And APJ Abdul Kalam, former president in India, he has no money. He had no money, but he can do. He could do. How?
Not
Matter is depend on time.
It's not just depend on time that
No, depend on time. If you have time, so no matter how poor you are, you can do anything if you have time.
like
Many actors like a Shah Rukh Khan, he has no money, but right now he's the richest actor in India. So how? Because he has a time,
no.
and he spent their time in shooting and like this.
Listen me. Shah Rukh Khan didn't become just successful just because of his time. He has worked very hard.
So I know because he has a time, so that's why he worked very hard.
Let me finish my point. Like if like everyone has 24 hours, the same amount of time. Like so, if anyone is doing hard work, if anyone is learning new skill, then he can improve himself. But how many percent of people are getting successful just because of time? Like Shah Rukh Khan, you can say Shah Rukh Khan. You have told me that Shah Rukh Khan and about APJ Abdul Kalam. And what about the rest of the peoples? Like in India, the more people are poor. Like the majority of peoples are very poor. So how they can earn money? How can they become successful? And how? Like if a farmer doesn't have lot of money, how can they?
Okay, depend on their thought. How can do work? How can do
just because
spend their time? Depend on their thought.
I don't have money. I have very good thought that I have to become a good engineer. I will do
Depend on
that.
mindset. How can
Yes, I have mindset, but I don't have
no,
money.
I think that you have no mindset.
I have mindset.
So how can you say that?
So
How do you know you have
will
mindset?
mindset give me money?
What?
Will my mindset give me the certification of engineer?
No, if your mindset, so you know how to work, how to learn any how to learn any language, how to get job.
So, okay, you told me that language. How can I learn language? Without spending money. How can I learn language?
What?
Sir has told me that you can learn language. How
think
can I learn?
Learn on yourself. I have many friends. I have 2 and 3 friends, and he is learn English on yourself, not any institute, not coaching. Only talking to other people.
So maybe they find their friends helpful, but not everyone's friends are helpful. If 1 in 100 people learns just because, like sir said, it's not that depend that every people will learn with that manner. Everyone wants a teacher to learn anything. Everyone wants a course, a book to learn anything. And if you want to get any course or book, you need money.
So bro, firstly they give her time, then after he will get a respect and anything. And if you don't have a time management, then how you can use your time? If you can't earn a lot of money, you cannot earn many things. You cannot purchase. You cannot get a job, because time management is a very important thing in our life. Because if you are a student, then you have not time management. Then how will you survive in your life?
So yeah, I saw in news one boy was preparing for UPSC for 11 years. So he was giving his time, but he's not succeeded.
But sir, also every person sees that one person is very viral. He got to IS officer, like he purchased certificate only 2 lakh and 3 lakh, I think.
So he has money. That's
He has
why
money, but he has no knowledge. He spent time, but he don't.
But as sir said, you have to be success.
Please,
So you have to
I want
invest
to-
your time. So he was
Okay.
investing time.
But
Is
he had
11
knowledge.
years, but
had
he
a
didn't
knowledge.
got success.
But
Why?
he did not select anywhere. But he had some knowledge. If I have a knowledge, then he survive in our life, because he can teach any people. He can teach childrens. Then he can survive in our life.
So
But you get certificate
are-
like a 5 lakh, then you have no knowledge. How you will survive? But you have only money.
So you are saying that spending time is the key of
So
success.
sir, I am
is
saying
being
that, but he
success.
did not select. He did not select, but he get knowledge. Sorry, he got knowledge, and he will spend time at home. He is teaching children. Then he can also survive in your life.
Yes, but but he has dreamed big, so he has to be.
Many people also got selected, but some people is not got selected.
Question for you: Will you marry a boy who is poor?
If he has no time, then what will matter?
If even at 24 hours, but will you marry a boy who has no money?
Yes.
Earning for surviving is the basic need for everyone.
And time is very important.
Not at all. You are only
Yes,
you
it
are.
is very important for living a good life. Not in money.
There are camera only for you are talking like this. Behind money is very important.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think like that.
I don't think so.
I can marry a poor person.
In today's era, nowadays,
His family is good with me, then I can. I have no problem.
No.
I can survive whole life without money. Yes.
I am not satisfied.
Luxurious life. Who wants to live in poverty? Who wants to live in poverty? Everyone wants to be rich person.
Everyone wants luxury thing.
Yes, everyone wants luxury thing.
Tell me, you think money is very important for life, you know?
Yeah.
So, if you die, suppose that if you die tomorrow and you have a lot of money, then what will you do after? Can you take that money with you in your grave? Can you?
What?
But if I am suffering
If you
from
have a lot of money, and suppose that if you die tomorrow, then what will you do with that money? Can you take that money with your grave?
I will
Can you,
give my money.
What?
I will give my money.
You talk
in
about
charity,
yourself.
I will give my money charity, and
Okay.
they will
after
remember.
dying, after dying.
No,
Now
no.
you have a lot of money, and you don't give to poor people and in charity. But when you die, your family will give, not you have given, and not the good deed that when you live, when you are living your life and you have a lot of money. When at that time you will give money. That is a very good thing for you, not after dying.
Yes, I know.
But if I have given in charity, you know, after die, we get sawabs.
But when you are living a good life, you have lot of money. Why will you not give that money at that time?
Because if I had money, I also had
You can't
the.
do that money for after dying. So you think you'll get good deeds for giving that? You are not giving that money. Your family has given. This is not your thinking that you are going to give this money.
If I have lots of money, I can give that money to charity so that the poor peoples get a good life and they can do well in their life. As we all know that people's like,
Your life is given for a purpose, not for only earning only money.
if
You spend your time in offering salah, you spend your time in reading Quran, then you'll get Jannah. And this is
Wait,
a
wait.
very world.
if I have money, I will.
Not only charity is only thing that in life you earn money and you give charity and you give.
If you have no money, how will you perform Hajj Umrah?
It is we can, and if you have no money, it is not a very important for you. If you have no money, then you have to do only. What is not obligatory? It is not obligatory. Yeah.
It's not your point, bro.
If you have no money, then only thing you have to do in your life is doing good deeds and reading salah. Offering salah and reading Quran. Not only for earning money, and you are obligatory for doing Hajj Umrah. And if you have money, then you can. But if you have no money, then this is not obligatory for you that you do Hajj Umrah.
Like, to help any poor, we need money. Like, if I want to help a poor person, I need to give
You
him.
need money, but if you have no money, then it is not a very bad thing that you are not giving money. If you have no money, then
Suppose
it is not
my
very-
friend is struggling.
So?
He needs a lot. He needs some amount of money, and I don't have money. So I can't help my friend. But if I have money, I can give him money so that he can get.
You can, but
yes,
if you have no money, then you can't. So what's the point?
That's why I'm saying that money is very important.
Oh.
If I have money,
You
then
earn
I
money.
can.
You earn money for your friends.
I will give him time and not money. He needs money and I will give him time.
If you have no money, then how can he say that you give me money? You give me money. Can he say that?
Our topic is time versus money.
Yeah.
Don't,
Yeah, I know. So if you have no money, then how can you give the money?
So I'm not saying that I don't
he
have
will
money.
Fight, can he fight with you that you are not giving money?
He will succeed. Yeah, he will overcome.
Oh, you earn money just only for your friends? No, tell me, you earn money only for your friend?
It's just a thing. Like an example.
No, not a thing. You talk about only. You are saying that if I have no money, then how can I help my friend?
Yes,
Money.
I have curiosity to.
You utilize the time for good thing in doing good things in work and everything, offering salah, reading Quran, and everything.
But
Then if
word will not seems you good.
What?
You if you have money, then everything will seems good. If you have no money,
Oh, you are saying that if you have money, then everything is good, and if you have no money, then everything is bad.
Yes, that is
How
right.
can you say that? Can you buy happiness with money?
Yes, you can buy
How?
it.
Okay, tell me. Those person they have no mother, and so can you give the love of mother by money, by giving him money?
so
Can you-
I will earn money and I will give charity and in my mother's
Why
name.
charity you can't give love of
No,
mother.
at my mother's name and he will get.
Listen me. If you have no money, then you will get depressed. If you have money, you can go everywhere, Dubai, Singapore, like that.
Nowadays, everyone has lot of money, but they are depressed.
No.
How can you say that?
Elon Musk is depressed. Jack Ma is
Yes, if you
depressed.
earn- if
Jeff
you
Bezos
earn
is
money,
depressed.
You are depressed.
He have no proper knowledge. Therefore, he said. Listen me. Elon Musk live say that Elon Musk is depressed only for money. He knows when I will ask for divorce, then I will earn lots of money. Therefore, no. What? Listen me. Have you complete?
Just
So listen me. Firstly, listen me properly. Hardik Pandya wife divorce only for money. He know when I will when Hardik Pandya will give divorce, then I will earn lots of money. Therefore,
Okay,
Alia,
Shikhar Dhawan?
what?
Shikhar Dhawan?
And also Shikhar Dhawan, everyone wife want money. Therefore, he want to divorce. How can you say that? No.
Yes, bro.
You know
Listen me,
about
listen
their
me.
personal life.
Not point.
Listen me. Do you know about Jeff Bezos? Who is CEO of? Do you know about Jeff Bezos? Do you know about Jeff Bezos?
I know.
Jeff
I know.
Bezos. Jeff Bezos is founder of Amazon. Amazon. Why his wife asked for divorce? Jeff Bezos give $70 billion. His wife.
70 billion?
Yes.
Are you mad? I know everything.
Bro, go and search on Google. Why you are talking like? No, go and.
Already Google. I know.
No.
Already asked about 70 billion.
Can I show? I want to show. And then you did
How can you
good
earn the
thing.
money?
What?
How can you earn the money?
If you
You have time,
if
then how? Then you earn the money.
listen me, every theft rapist is why they are poor.
They depend on thought, bro.
No,
Yes.
they have lots of time. They are
Listen, everyone says that money can do anything, everything. Then what about the idiom, time is the best healer? Why not money is the best healer? Why not money is the best healer?
I mean that.
In tough time, why everyone,
if you have money, then so you cannot be you
If you
cannot
lost
get
someone-
in trouble.
Listen.
If you have money,
no, listen
You
to
will
me.
Can you say that you cannot get in trouble if you have money?
there are many examples. There are many examples.
No, listen to me. If you lost someone,
do you know about Anant Ambani?
no, if,
Anant Ambani
listen
is very
to me.
bad, but
Firstly,
his wife
listen
is
to
very
me.
good. Why?
If you
He has
lost
lots of money
someone,
there for
He is doing exercise. He is spending time.
what?
He is doing exercise and also he is doing.
No,
he is spending time in meditation. He has time for meditation.
Anant Ambani have lots of money.
Anand Ambani has a lot of money.
Therefore, his wife is very
Why is very
beautiful.
fat? Why is not
What?
fit and fit?
Anant Ambani is live life more better than you. How can you say that?
So why he is very fat?
Why is very fat?
I know Anant Ambani
Why is
has
very
a lot of
fat?
money.
Why is not spending
He has lots of money.
And why is he not doing exercise?
Why is not treatment their disease? He has a lot of money.
He has a lot of money. He is
So
also
why
doing exercise for discover fat.
is not treatment their disease?
But Anant Ambani live life more better than you. Why life better life is not possible for you?
I think you have to just prepare for your akhirah. Just not only money is not very important for living a life. How can you say that? If you die,
Like sir told me that about Anant Ambani, I don't want to talk about any individual person. Like if anyone is very fat or not healthy, if he wants to get healthy, he needs to take a proper nutrition and proper diet, and he has to do exercise. So firstly, he has to take a good diet or nutrition. So how can he get a proper nutrition if he doesn't have money? So if I want to make my body fit, I need nutrition, a good proper nutrition, and proper nutrition I need money, so that I can purchase that types of food to eat. Without money I can't purchase that nutrition.
Without money, you can do exercise, bro.
Just by doing exercise you cannot be fit.
you
You need money.
You can.
How?
You can.
No.
Yes.
Sir, you can check.
You don't know about the physical education?
Yes, I know about physical education,
About
but after
physical
doing
and
exercise, you need that nutrition. If you don't eat
No.
just doing exercise, how can you like to grow your
You can
let me
strong your
complete my
immunity just
point.
by taking a normal food.
You are if you want to grow any muscle, we need protein. We need diet which conclude lots of protein. If we don't take high protein meals, we can't grow our muscle. It's a science. It's a basic science. Like if you want to do like if you have problem of bone, then you need calcium. So there are lots of calcium. There are products that include calcium. So you need to purchase that product. Then you can remove your. Then if you have deficiency of calcium, then it will cure. Just by eating anything, you can't cure that problem.
You can gain your muscles by eating basic food.
No, ma'am.
Not taking protein or investing money on protein powder or calcium
I'm not
something.
I'm not saying that protein powder.
It is just the trend.
No, I'm
Everyone
not saying
follows.
that you need to purchase protein powder, but you need to eat things that contains protein, amount of protein. So if you don't eat that,
You
that-
can also buy affordable food.
So how
In replacement of protein,
nowadays,
high protein
we
powder.
all say that like everything is very costly. Like if you want to purchase anything, like any food item is very costly nowadays. So if I don't have money, how can I purchase?
There is an alternate thing of every food. There is an alternate of every protein or every food.
Every food you can help. Every food you can purchase with the help of money.
No, I don't say that. No, there is an affordable alternate of everything. Protein powder is very costly, and alternate of protein powder is soybean.
So how can you purchase?
Soybean is the best protein,
How can you purchase soybean with the help of time?
but it is affordable to everyone.
You earn money, you earn for basic
No,
needs.
no, I'm not
It's a
talking
basic
about-
need. Just only a basic need. Time is very
No,
important.
I'm talking about how can you purchase soybean?
We can take.
How can you purchase soybean? How can you purchase with the help of time?
I am saying that you utilize your time in a good way in everything you do, not only for whole day, just only for earning money. You spend a whole day just only for earning money. What will you do then? You have 24 hours and you spend that time only for earning money. You are saying that.
No.
Yeah, you are saying that.
Everyone has 24 hours.
And you just you spend your 24 hours only for.
Why are you spending time here?
Ma'am said, listen me firstly. Ma'am said,
Sorry, we don't talk about any individual people. We are here for talk majority about majority.
Again and again. Money is dependent on time. You need time to spend your money.
so problem.
Time is the key to success. If we
Money can't buy happiness. Bro, money can't buy happiness.
So we can make money, but money cannot buy us time. As our time.
You can make your time delightful with the help of money. You just you have to spend just time with your loved ones. So it means you are earning, you are getting their happiness. You are
Time is, you can't recover time. If you lose money, you can recover.
You can-
The problem is that. Okay. Listen me. You can't recover time, and if you lose money, you can recover. So therefore, I said money is good. You can recover easily. You can recover easily.
Oh. So what's the money you can earn money after sorry. If you utilize your time in a good way, then you can earn money. But
So why you utilize time for?
what?
Why you utilize?
I'm
your
not
time?
saying that you utilize your time just for earning money. I'm not saying that. You spend your time with your loved ones, with your mother, with your sister, with your father. Okay, suppose that if your father earned money whole day and he didn't give you time, then you will be happy.
Yes, I
with
happy.
that money.
When my father give money, I will happy.
Oh.
Everyone
Everyone happy.
Bro, why
What?
your father?
If your father will not give you money, then you happy.
What?
What do you want to be in future?
I just don't.
You just want to sit
I
idle?
don't want to do job anything. I'm not.
So how can you survive if
She
you
is
have no
spending
money?
time with our family.
No. So you can buy.
Spending time with
Yes,
family
yes,
enough
it's enough.
for
Yeah.
living a life.
So how can you eat food? How can you eat food? How can you?
I will not eat food.
I will not.
Yeah.
You are dumb. You are very dumb.
You are dumb.
Sorry.
You dumb.
Why you are talking? Why you are talking very?
You are after saying that every person has 24 hours.
So-
If you have,
so you
have
can-
money, then you will use.
Listen me. If you do not,
If you
how
have
can you
money, if
live?
you have no time, how will you use money?
What?
Where will you use? If you have money, if you have no time, what will you do?
What will you do?
Yeah.
Everyone at 24 hours.
No, you are saying
How
that.
can you say that?
You are saying that if you have money, how will you purchase anything?
Listen me. If you have only time, then you cannot purchase anything. If you have money, then you can purchase.
You don't have.
If you have a time, what will you do with your money?
So,
So what do you want to be in future? Tell
I
me.
don't want. I'm not thinking of future.
So how can you survive if you will not
I
have
will spend
money?
I will spend time with my family.
Do you know that?
I have many
future
trees.
you'll
I
be
will
alive?
eat
What?
many
Can you
fruits.
give me the guarantee? In future you will be alive.
Yes, if you do hard work, you can achieve success
I'm not saying
100%.
that. Can okay? Then
But
that's
I cannot live long life, but I can luxury life with the help of money. Means not luxurious life, but I can
How can you?
by spending money, by
Okay, how
invest.
can you earn? By using time.
I can earn money, but first priority is money, earning money.
Priority is time. Also, many famous poet says that Shakespeare, time is money.
Even human creation cannot be architecture with
Money. You will earn money. If you have a nota, how will you earn?
even human creation cannot be architecture without money.
And if you have a lot of money, if you have a nota, how will you spend?
But if you want to make our life better, then we need money.
Says that you don't have to be tense about your future. He's the Razak, and he will give you the risk. It's not you have to test for your future for what will I get.
And God also said you earn money.
Yes.
And what about these? Are your
What?
nowadays every Maulana like Tariq Jamil and Tariq Masood said you earn money for your family.
Okay, he says only you earn money. You
I
were
think
told that
we should change.
earn only money.
Wait. We should change topic. We should change.
I know time is important, but first priority.
Bro.
Time is second priority.
If you have a lot of money, you will not.
Okay,
That is money.
tell me. A
Okay.
boy is insisting for toys. A child.
When you were born, you come with money.
What? When?
You come with money. You don't have to. You think you don't have to utilize your time. First priority is money. Then how can you earn money?
How can you earn money?
How can you earn money? Tell me that. If you waste your time in watching reels, in playing PUBG, then how can you earn money?
I did try
You can earn money with just only time.
Listen me.
But if you have a time, what will you
What
get?
job gives me? What job gives me?
If I have a knowledge,
Yeah.
I have a knowledge,
Yeah.
I have no money, then I have a knowledge.
Suppose-
But if
suppose
you have
there's
a
a-
lot of money, you have no knowledge.
Yeah.
You have no knowledge. If I have a time, then I will get knowledge, but I will not earn money. But if you have a lot of money, you will not get money. You will not get knowledge. That is a very important thing.
So
We are debating in time versus money. Why you are
I am
talking
saying
about
that
knowledge?
you are not getting my point.
let it be. Let it be. Let's understand with the story. A little boy, wants to. A little boy went affair with his father. Are you getting?
Yeah, of course.
So he is insisting his father for toys. After getting toys, he will be happy. Okay. So if his father has no money, he can't buy toys. How he will make
If he
child?
has knowledge, he made a toy for his.
But he want that toy.
How can he make toy? How can he make toy?
If I have a time, I get a knowledge. I made.
No. But that.
Firstly need material. Firstly.
Yes. How
need
will?
material? So listen me. How can you purchase material?
I have a material bro at home.
You have.
So,
Yeah.
tell me.
how you have? How do you have?
So,
Something have for
No.
life.
Just understand my story. Just you are saying that happiness can't buy. So if that toys can be purchased, the boy will get happy.
Yeah.
Are you
And
getting?
your child asked for aeroplane.
So
toy. How can you made? Tell me.
Yeah, bro.
no. I said that.
Why you are telling me? I'm not telling you. I have material, bro. I have material. Or yes, of course.
You have material.
For passing our life.
So listen, I want to see you. So tomorrow will you bring in coaching? I want to see. Who,
So what type of material you have at home to build a aeroplane toy?
Yeah, I want to
What
see-
type of material you have?
So tomorrow will you bring for me?
No. Tell me what type. No. Don't bring it.
Why you are
it
telling a lie?
Bro, you are telling every person wasting our time.
No.
His time. Why wasting? Is not good.
Firstly, listen me. Listen,
You are
what-
saying that also.
What job gives you? What job gives you? What job gives you? Job तुम्हें क्या देती है?
Firstly, spend it and then he will give money.
So you do the work for others. That is called wasting.
Bro, no, I'm not wasting time.
Okay, many people.
You-
Every person is okay. One person is not selected anywhere like a NEET exam, IS exam anywhere. He's not selected. This doesn't matter. But he got
No,
knowledge.
you did
He
not
get
get my
knowledge.
point. I'm not talking about study.
I'm
talking
saying
about
that you
doing
are
a job.
saying that every
No,
person
I'm
spending
talking
time-
about doing a job. I'm talking about doing a job. So listen me. If you are employee in any company. So your time, you waste your time for your.
I am wasting, so he is also wasting time. Every person is doing job, he is wasting time.
Yes.
No, he is not wasting, he is for getting, if company not will give money, then he is also getting the knowledge.
Everyone only doing work for money, not knowledge.
Firstly spend it and then after he will get money.
I know.
Without spending money, you will not earn money.
So problem is that natural everyone give you time, but nature doesn't give money. Therefore, he want to earn money.
Nature give you mind. You can do anything.
Listen me. Everyone have 24 hours, but everyone have no money.
No. If you have a money, a lot of money, and if you have a note, how will you spend?
Say to you that you earn money only for you just earn only money whole day.
Why you are not accepting it? Every wife want a rich husband. Every kids want a rich father. Why you are not accepting?
No, I don't think like
Many.
And also you will not marry a with poor man. Why you are telling a lie?
I can marry a poor person.
Why you are telling a lie? I know.
She is not telling a lie. You are telling.
But most of people wants a rich husband, but not. It's all about not about individual. Most of people want a rich guy because you live in society. You are observing the things.
But they don't have a